a victory. I'm gonna see a victory.
Ugh, I hate these bushes. They smell, ugh, they smell horrible. Lower elevation plant trash. Ugh. Sandy path, that'll slow you down. At least it's soft. Oh, I see a trail junction. Or a sign at least. 2 signs. Three signs. Cathedral Lake's 9.5. So that means supposedly I have less than a mile, but I don't think that's correct. 4 sides are okay. Yeah, this way. Now I have less than 2 miles, or at least according to the map 1.9, or 2 actually, I don't know. Map and trail signs often differ on mileage. Hi. This way. And this is probably why the guy recommended wearing pants to me. Of course, I always wear pants on a hike. Those thorn bushes. Ew. So I've been noticing there's been some sections of trail where the bushes have grown so closely together that people have started making another trail around it. And you know, that's Yosemite for you. If anybody mismanages their forests and stuff, it's Yosemite and Tahoe. And I mean, I'm sure you've seen in my video, you go in by thickly forested, thick forest, lots of downward, unlike this. This is, what are the trail crews doing? This is terrible. This is terribly managed. Yosemite is like a huge example of what not to do. And before you're like, well, how do you know? I've taken a lot of forestry classes. my major was forestry, and it's amazing how much they get wrong. Like, all this probably wouldn't have happened if they had managed it correctly and did like some selective cuts and gotten rid of some of these trees. Oh goodness, this is ridiculous. And they need to cut these bushes back big time. They're just obscuring the trail. I mean, it's not like this is Taboose Pass where it's not maintained that much. This is the JMT. So this is just a perfect example of how they just mismanage all sorts of stuff. Just people making new trails, which is, you know, going to cause erosion and stuff. This is just, a lot of people like to hike in shorts. I don't, but these are going to tear at your skin. I've got good, strong pants, so it doesn't really bother me too much, but come on. Like, seriously, trail crews are supposed to come through here every year and take care of issues like this. And I don't know what's going on, but clearly that is not happening. Okay, rant over, and that is Half Dome. I'll just add one other thing. Because, you know, they talk a lot about John Muir and stuff. John Muir would be disgusted with Yosemite, you know, with some of the other agencies on how they're managing stuff. Like, okay, here's a prime example, okay? John Muir was a conservationist, which means use it, but use it wisely. Yosemite is now preservationist, which means you can look, but not touch. You can't even take a rock out of the park, because if they catch you, they'll make you put it back. It's ridiculous. So, John Muir wouldn't be very happy with Yosemite or the Sierra Club, or, you know, a lot of things that they're doing right now. Just crazy. And that's one of the reasons why, you know, when all these trees grow so close together, man, when one catches fire, the rest of them catch fire, because there's just no other option. And you can't stop a fire like that easily, if at all. So thankfully these actually aren't too close together, but, you know, I know you've seen in my videos video footage of them being really close together, like a foot apart or whatever. It's just ridiculous. Okay, now my rant is over. Oh, this is ridiculous. Ouch! Man. This is terrible. Ugh. I can barely get through here. It's all pulling at my clothing. It's really slowing me down. Oh, jeez. Are you kidding me? Ridiculous. You gotta be kidding me. This is... How hard is it to send a trail crew to make this safe? You just need a bloody chainsaw. I don't want to go under that. That looks like it could fall at any time. No way. Screw that, man. So mismanaged. I'm going to be making an official complaint. That is bullcrap. Bloody mother bear and cub. Or just in my camp. I ran them off. I was just finishing up dinner. I heard the sound and turned around. I had been hearing something, but I couldn't see what it was. There was a mother bear over by my pot, which was empty. Just had water in it. No food or anything. And her little baby was not far off, and I yelled at it, and she ran. I guess so. Yeah, she was right there. Thankfully, she ran off. So she doesn't seem too habituated, but she's got a cub with her. I didn't expect to see that right now. I was just finishing up dinner. I guess she smelled it. Yeah. Yeah, well, they're around, I guess.
you.